To first set up your Tapo C320 camera with the Android smartphone or iPhone, first of all, you will need to download a Tapo app, which you can find on the Google Play Store or App Store. When you have this app, make sure to create your account or log into already existing one. After all of that is finished, connect your camera to the power source and then pay attention to the LED lamp right here. When it's blinking red and green, that means it's ready to pair. If it's not, you will need to perform a reset. You can do it with the button right here, or if you need more specific instructions, you can watch our reset video for this model. Then, when we're in the app, click on the plus button at your device and look for C320. There it is. Select this camera and you can go for the Ethernet or wireless method. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do it with the wireless version. Now we can power the camera. As I said, it's blinking red and green, so we're ready to move to the next step. Connect your camera to the Wi-Fi network manually through Wi-Fi settings of your phone, or if you see this pop-up, make sure to click on Connect. Then select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your camera with. I'm going to enter this password off screen.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Next step is to rename your camera optionally. I'm going to leave the default name. You can also choose a place where your camera will stay, and then finally pick an icon for it. Now when everything is ready, you can watch the mount to the wall instructions or click on Sounds Good to move to the next step. Then we can skip or pay for the subscription. I'm gonna skip it, and there's also option to set up local storage. You can insert your card right here, or again watch our specific video on how to do it. Then there's the firmware update time that you can adjust, and I'm gonna leave also the same thing. And finally right here our camera is connected and ready.